Hi, welcome to Otter HB. We're at Boulder Creek RV Park, just south of Lone Pine. Janine and I have stayed here in the trailer, and I wanted to do a little bit of a campground review. We stayed here in July, and it was just awesome. It is kind of that halfway between, Southern California and the Mammoth area, so it's a nice way to break up the drive. Let me walk around and show you. Here's the store. So we're RV, and they do, especially summertime, they do fill up a lot. You get just a ton of people that are breaking up their jobs, whether it's coming home or going up to the Sierras. It's just a nice spot. Full hookups. I think they've got like 100 sites. Swimming pool, store. So you have food, knickknacks, a little bit of everything. How many sites do we have here?
109. 109 rentable sites.
So 109 rentable sites, full hookups. So you have water, electricity, sewage, you have a swimming pool, free coffee in the morning, which for me was just awesome. It's all like, yay. And then a bunch of knickknacks. So here's the store. I'll take you outside and we'll check it out. We go around there then. So here's check-in. You come in, just kind of pull in right along the little store, and then here's our sites. Great sites though. They're level, full hookups, barbecue. Decent amount of space on them. I mean, we parked and didn't feel crowded at all. Like I said, you look at it right now and it's just empty, but middle of August we were here, every site was full. And you had from people kind of mixing their drive up, breaking it up, to we actually talked to a lot of people that would come up and meet people, and this was like their halfway point, and then they'd just hang out. You have Alabama Hills, Lone Pine, Whitney Porthole Museum, Owens River fishing. I actually fished out of one of the creeks up here, caught a couple fish. So there was actually a lot to do. You go middle of nowhere, but there was still a decent amount of stuff to do. The biggest thing was, I think it was like 100 degrees out. Super nice swimming pool, and we just kind of hung out in the pool and enjoyed the afternoon away. It's end of January right now. Pool's all closed up, but let me show you the pool area. So 100-degree day. That's kind of a nice area to be hanging out at. Banquet room. It's kind of where the free coffee was. Got a nice little grass area. I think they had goats or something around here in the summer. It gets cold here now, so you're not going to see much of anything. But it is Boulder Creek RV Campground. It's just nice. Great place to stay. Make sure you call and make reservations though. We got lucky in the summer. We called and they said, yeah, we have a couple left, but I know in the summer they book up. So especially when you think weekends and the driving to and from, Up there it gets a little different. But here's your sights. Pull-throughs and back ends, so definitely have a little bit of everything. So there you go, Boulder Creek Campground review. It's an awesome campground. If you're trying to break up the drive between here and the Mammoth or the Sierras, kind of 4 hours, you know, 3-4 hours either way, so it's a nice halfway point. Full hookups, gobs of sight, store, swimming pool, super nice people. As far as a campground review, it's really high on my list. There's a lot to do, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed to Otter HB, please subscribe. Go to the channel, watch the videos. I got campground reviews, hiking, fishing, adventures. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.